Fiat 500 spark plug replacement. In order to do it, you're going to have to take off the two covers, then remove the pipe that comes from here to here, and then you're going to remove the coil. It has like a screw over here. Okay, remove the plug. Then you use the small socket for the spark plug, and this is it right here. You untighten it, and then what I use to take it out, because if the rubber of the socket is not working, I use a magnet to pull it out. Okay, use a magnet, and you're going to be able to pull it out easy. After that, just make sure that the cap is the right size. According to the manual, it's from 26 to 40. Making adjustments or which one works best for you. So remember, the gap is from 26 to 40. Check your owner's manual. The gap is over here. Once you tighten it, you put it back in and put everything back up. Okay? Thank you for watching.